Sing, won't you sing with me? Leave everything for me. Stay the night, oh, miss your flight. Walk through the rain with me. Get soaked to the skin, feel free. Shut the world out. Let's hang out. Oh, I used to see in colours, now it's grey.
Good afternoon and welcome back to Going Wild again. So we're out with the dogs and we're going on a bit of a walk and a bit of a outdoor camp in the car, doing a few locations, and at the moment we're down in the middle of Malham. Very pretty, beautiful river, and then we're going to head out to the Lake District tomorrow. So we're hoping that you'll come along with us. We're hoping that you'll like this vlog, ring the bell for notifications, maybe give us a few comments, get involved with the channel. Basically, I'm just someone who likes to get out and about, either on my motorbike, camping or in the car. So I do wild camping up in the lower Lake District and surrounding areas of the Yorkshire Dales. Hope you like the footage of down in Malham village. It was really nice down there, really cool, really nice in the woodland. There we go, people, some really moody skies tonight. Snowy, lie down. What are you doing? Lizzie? Lizzie? What are you doing, Liz? Lie down. You're camping. Come on, you're camping. Okay, people, this is the setup. The Qashqai. So, single bed down this side, some gear on this side, and then I've got my cargo net above, and then in there at the front we've got two dogs. Amazing. Well, good morning. This is what it look like. I don't know what time it is. I think about 7 o'clock. But it could be 5:30. Right. Sun shining. It's really warm in the car. Dogs are dying for a hit and a miss, so they need to go out. So let's get on with it a little bit. And I think it's really, really foggy still. Claggy and horrible. Well, back to the glorious sunshine. Well, this is my third camp in Qashqai, and I have to say that you need to be really organised. You need to know where all your equipment and your gear is. Not so bad in the daylight, but once you're asleep in the bag, you really do need to know where a minimum of two things are. You need to know where your keys are at all times to lock your doors, and you need to know where your phone is, and you need to make sure your phone's charged. Them are the two things. Now, even though I knew where mine were last night, I still had difficulties because my dog activated and unlocked all my doors. And I heard them click. I thought, what's that? Woke me up and couldn't find my keys. So you need to have your keys in a very central location. Same place every time you camp, then you can't get it wrong. I've got a net above my head, and I put all my phone and everything in there. There we go, as we said, a bit of muesli. I'm going to make a hot brew and a energy bar, and then we're ready to get out of here. Steady away. So we should be out of here for 9 AM on the road, maybe 10, we'll see. And a much needed
Sing, won't you sing with me? Leave everything for me. Stay.
So this is the bottom of Goredale Scar. This is a fantastic, outstanding place.
Walk through the rain with me. Get soaked to the skin, feel free. Shut the world out. Let's hang out. Oh, I used to see in colors, now it's gray. Till I met you at the concert the other day. The whole room lit up with warm, sunny rays. Tonight we'll turn minutes into days, and nothing's gonna make me look away. Peel off a layer and breathe. Lift up your head and lead. Count the stars.